Hello guys, it's Makube here. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to change your WhatsApp number. Let's get into the video. So, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your WhatsApp account. After which, you click on this three horizontal line here. Once you're there, you click on settings. So, after that, you click on what? Account. After which, you simply need to click on change number. So, after that, you click on next. Once you get here, you simply need to insert your first number and your new number. Let me say that's your old number. Start by inserting your country code. After that, you insert the telephone number. After which, you insert the new number in which you want to use on this WhatsApp account. So, after that, you click on what? Next. Once you're done changing the number, you click on next. So, if you want your contact should be notified when you change this number, you simply need to enable contact notify. Click on it. You can simply choose the contact in which you're chatting with, or you can customize it, or you can say all contacts. So, I'm going to leave it on all contacts. So, after that, you click on what? Done. So once you get here, you simply need to click on what? Verify another way. So after which, you simply need to choose on SMS. So they are going to send us an SMS to that new number. So you simply need to wait for 2 seconds. That's 2 minutes. So after receiving the code, you simply need to insert the code. So guys, click on what? Next. So installation is taking place. So you simply need to wait for a moment. Okay guys, we just successfully change our number. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.